Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today we will discuss about how to create GST invoices in Tally Prime. Okay friends, so regarding that today we will discuss. So first, we need to create one company. First we create a company. So press F3. Select create company. So create. For example, Sony Electronics. Sony Electronics. Mailing name same. Type the address. Number 52. 10th main. 5th cross. Jayanagar 4th block. Jayanagar 4th block. Bangalore. Select state Karnataka. Press 3 character of Karnataka KAR. Press enter. Pin code. Type the pin code 560011. Telephone number. Landline number including STD code 0801234. Type mobile number 8105683834. Fax number. If you have, type it, otherwise skip it. Email. Type the email ID raviraju.sd@gmail.com. Accept. So this is feature screen. So here enable the GST features. See here, enable goods and service tax GST, set to yes. So here you type the GST details information. State Karnataka, registration type regular. So one composition and another one is regular. So regular means those who are registered under GST Act. Composition means those who are not registered under GST Act. For example, coconut merchant, vegetable merchant. So these people are comes under composition. So select regular. Assessee of other territories. Suppose he belongs to Union territories, then you set yes, otherwise set to no. GST applicable, accept default date. GST TIN number. Goods and service tax identification number. So type the GST number 29 ASTFG 1234K to ZL. So this is the format of the GST number. So periodicity of GST are 1. So monthly, select monthly. Set alter GST rate details. Here not required. Not required. Not required. So enable GST classification, set to yes. Accept all these things. Okay friends, so first we need to create classification. So GST classification. So that is, go to select create, press enter. See here in top show more. Select show more, press enter and select show inactive, press enter. So now you go to statutory master, select GST classification. So you have to select GST classification, press enter. So select, name. Here name means HSN code number. So HSN code. So what is HSN? So I prepared one notes for your reference. Please note down friends. So what is HSN code? HSN code stands for Harmonized System of Nomenclature This system has been introduced for the systematic classification of goods all over the world. HSN code is a 6-digit uniform code that classifies 5,000 plus products and is accepted worldwide. So some other products are 4 digits are there. How does HSN code work? It has about 5,000 commodity groups, each identified by a 6-digit code arranged in a legal and logical structure. It is supported by well-defined rules to achieve uniform classification. Why is HSN important? The main purpose of HSN is to classify goods from all over the world in a systematic and logical manner. This brings in a uniform classification of goods and facilitates international trade. HSN worldwide. The HSN system is used by more than 200 countries and economies for reasons such as uniform classification, base for their customs tariffs, collection of international trade statistics. Okay, friends. So now here create the classification, GST classification. So today we are going to create stock item, computer items. So computer HSN code is 8528. Description, type computer. HSN code again type 8528. Not applicable. So select taxable. So type 18%. So computer GST rate is 18%. Accept. Okay, friends. Now come to the gateway of Tally. Create. Select ledger. So create GST related ledgers one by one. The following materials purchased from Acer India Private Limited, GST at 18%, invoice number 64975. So here you have to create purchase at 18%, input CGST at 9%, input SGST at 9%, and supplier Acer India Private Limited. Create one by one. So purchase at 18%. Under purchase account, group is purchase account. Type of ledger not applicable. Is GST applicable? Yes, applicable. Set alter GST details, set to yes. So classification. We are already created classification. Select classification. Select type of supply, goods. Accept. So like that, input CGST at 9%. Under duties and taxes, select GST. Type of duty slash tax, select GST. Select tax type, central tax. Accept. Next one, input SGST at 9%. At 9%. Under duties and taxes, select GST. Select tax type, state tax. Accept. So next, supplier name, Acer India Private Limited. Acer India Private Limited. Under sundry creditor, all suppliers comes under sundry creditors. Enter, type the address, number 50, 8th main, 15th cross, Banashankari, Mangalore. Select state, type pin code 560048. Provide bank details, set to yes. Select check. Account payee. PAN number of supplier. Type the PAN number. Registration type regular. GST number 29. Okay, 2ZL. Set alter GST detail. Set to yes. Select regular. Assess if other territory. No. Is e-commerce operator? No. Considered party as deemed exporter for purchase? No. Party type? Not applicable. TIN number? Is a transporter? No. Accept. So come to the sales question. The following materials sold to Pragati Computers, GST at 18%, invoice number 94732. So here you have to create sales at 18%, output CGST at 9%, output SGST at 9%, and Pragati Computers. So create sales at 18% under sales account. Type of ledger not applicable. Is GST applicable? Yes, applicable. Set alter GST details. Set to yes. So classification we are already created. Select classification. Type of supply. Select goods. Accept. Next, output CGST at 9%. Under duties and taxes, select GST, type of duty / tax, select GST, tax type, select central tax, accept. Next one, output SGST at 9%. Under duties and taxes, type of duty / tax, select GST, tax type, select state tax, accept. So customer Pragati Computers. Pragati Computers. Press enter. Under sundry debtors, all customer comes under sundry debtors. Type the address number 125, 15th Main, 12th Cross, Vijayanagar, Bangalore. Select state Karnataka, type pin code 560025. Provide bank details, set to yes. Select check, account pay. Party PAN number. Registration type regular. GST TIN number. Goods and service tax identification number. Type 29 ASDFG 7815K2ZL. So this is the format of GST number. Set alter GST details, set to yes. Registration type regular. Assess if other territory, no. Is e-commerce operator, no. Consider party as deemed exporter for purchase, no. Party type deemed export, embassy, UN body, SEZ, special economic zone. So party is not related to these three, that's why select not applicable. GST TIN number, is a transporter. Now accept. Okay friends. Now we move to creation of stock items. Escape. Come to the inventory master. Create stock group. So here stock group means commodity name. So here we are going to create computer commodities. So the main group is computer. Type the computer. Computer. Select under primary. Select primary. Should quantities of items be added? Set to yes. Set alter GST details. We are already set. Here not required. Accept. So next create second step unit of measure. So select unit. Type. So unit means how we measured one commodity by numbers, pieces, boxes, packets, meter, liter, kilometer, like that. So here computer we measure numbers or pieces, but here I am taking numbers. So type the symbol of the numbers, that is NOS. Formal name, full form of NOS, that is numbers. Unit quantity, select NOS. Numbers. Number of decimal places 0. Pieces, boxes, packets, numbers. For this, no decimal places. But meter, liter, kilometer. So these are required decimal point. So number of decimal places. You can type 2. So then only you are able to 1.200 kgs in quantity field. Otherwise you can't type 1.200. So here not required decimal places. Set to yes. Accept it. So now come to the creation of stock item. Select stock item. So name. So I given here items name, monitor, CPU, motherboard, hard disk, keyboard, mouse. Create all these items. So monitor. Under computer. Select the group computer. Unit, select numbers. GST applicable. Set alter GST detail. Here not required because we are already set. Type of supply goods. Accept. So next CPU. Under computer. Numbers. Accept. Motherboard. Accept. Hard disk. Under computer, units numbers, accept. Keyboard and mouse. So keyboard. Under computer, numbers, accept. Mouse. Computer, numbers, accept. Okay friends, now we move to purchase entry and sales entry. So before going to purchase and sales entry, we need to activate method of voucher numbering as manual, because of we are enter the invoice number as manual. Otherwise Tally will counting automatic 1, 2, 3 like that. So that's why come to the gateway of Tally, select alter, select voucher type, select purchase, come to here, method of voucher numbering, automatic. Automatic means serial number. It will give 1, 2, 3 like that serial number. Automatic manual override. So that means once you enter 4 digit of number and then it will calculate continuous serial number. For example, Suppose you type 4201. From next time it will 4202, 4203, like that it will take. So manual, every time you need to type the invoice number. Okay. Multi-user auto, that is for multi-user tally software. So here you have to select manual, accept it. Select that, select sales. Select manual. Escape. Okay. Come to the accounting vouchers. Vouchers. Select purchase, F9, press F9. So here type the invoice number. The following material purchased from Acer India Private Limited, GST at 18%. Invoice number 64975. Type 64975. Once again type 64975. Accept default date. Party account name Acer India Private Limited. They are supplier. Friends, so here receipt note number, receipt details, informations are there. But here I am not explain anything about this. But I will explain in my next video when we are going to discuss about inventory vouchers. So this one will come, inventory vouchers, then I will explain. Okay. Accept. Acer India, accept all these things. Purchase ledger, purchase at 18%. Now select the item one by one. So first one, monitor. So monitor. So quantity 100 numbers, 4000 per number. So 100. Don't type NOS. It will come automatic. 4000. So next one, CPU. Type CPU. 100. 6000. Next one, motherboard. 100. 3000. Hard disk 100. 2000. Keyboard 100. 200. Mouse, last one, 100. 300. 200, 300. Okay. So press one more enter. Then you select the tax ledger. So input SGST. Next one, input SGST. First one CGST. Sorry. Input CGST. Now you select input SGST. Accept. So here provide GST e-way bill details. Friends, here I can't show anything because we need to register in Tally solution. Okay. So here I am set to no. But in your company, these are all mandatory. Be careful. New reference. Accept. So purchase bill is over. Come to the sales bill. Press F8. Go to sales bill. The following materials sold to Pragati Computers. GST at 18%. Invoice number 94732. So type the invoice number first. 94732. Party account name Pragati Computers. Accept all these things. Accept. Sales ledger, sales at 18%. Select monitor. Type 100. 6000 per numbers. CPU 100. 9000. Motherboard next one, yes, motherboard 100, 4500. Hard disk 100, 3000. Keyboard friends, keyboard, here I type 200, this is wrong. Actually cost price is 200, selling price is 300. Please make it 300, this one. Here I can't to change. You please note down 300 per numbers. Next one, mouse. Mouse 450, that is right. Press one more enter and then you select the tax ledger. Output. Output CGST. Output SGST. Provide GST e-way bill details. Set to no. New reference. Okay. So sales bill is over. Okay friends. So come to the display more reports. Day book. Select day book. Select sales voucher. Press Ctrl P. So here print preview. Select this one and click by mouse. Print preview. For zoom, press Alt Z. So this is the tax invoice. So here we got all the information. Here HSN code, quantity, rate, selling price and tax details. So like that we can generate GST tax invoice. So then you click print, you will get print out. Okay friends, and we move to GST payable day book and purchase bill. So this is also same too. Print preview, Alt Z, for zoom. So this is the purchase bill. Okay. So please check the GST payable in GST report. Escape. Display more reports. Select GST reports. So GSTR1 leave it. GSTR2. So this is the sales details. GSTRB. This is grand total. Come to the balance sheet. Alt F1 for detailed view. So select duties and taxes. So this is 1,39,500 is the GST payable amount. Check it. So here, how to calculate this difference? Output CGST plus output SGST minus input CGST plus input SGST. So these two total and minus these two total. So 4,18,500 minus 2,79,000. The difference is 1,39,500. Okay friends, in this way you have to create GST invoices in Tally Prime. Okay friend, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.